Hi, this project is a demonstration of car sales and inventory store. This is an online car and car parts store that has listing of various cars along with their features. This system allows user to buy car and inventory online. User can also check features of the car as well as inventory parts. Car loan and other facilities, booking facilities are available in car buying section. User can view the car and car parts in effective graphical user interface. User can view features of each product and compare the products in order to purchase a better product. This application is a combination of both sales and inventory management of the car and car parts. Let's see how the system works. If the user is a new user, he can register himself by clicking on register here button. He will be redirected to the registration form. Here he will fill up the following details. He will get a user ID and password through which he can register, through which he can log into the system. So let's log into the system. So once he logins to the system, he will be redirected to the page where he can view various products. So these are the cars, and if you want to purchase cars based on the categories, so he can select following categories listed over here. These are the categories mentioned over here are the hatchback, sedan and SUV. If you want to view car parts, he will click on parts and click on search button. He can view various car parts. Here you can see the image of the car parts as well as the name of the car parts as well as the amount and the stocks which are available in the inventory. If you want to purchase this product, so I will click on to the product. Once the user clicks on to the product, you can view the product details as well as the image and the cost. So once he clicks the order button over here, he will be redirected to the add to cart module. Here you can see the product name, cost, as well as you can mention the quantity, how many quantity require, and if I want 2 quantity of this product, so I will enter the quantity and click on to the add to cart button. So my product is added to the cart. So I will get a pop-up message whether I want to purchase more products or no. If I want to purchase more products, I will click on the yes button over here. So again, I'll be redirected to the product view page. Here, this if I want to purchase more products, this message will only be pop-up for the parts, car parts, not for the for purchasing cars. So again, I will go to the parts and I will click on the search button. If I want to purchase another product, tail light, I will click on to this. Again, I will view the product details as well as the cost. I will click on the order button. So again, it will go redirected to add to cart page. So I will enter the quantity, how many quantity am I required. So once I click the add to cart button, again my product will be added to the cart and then pop-up message will be displayed. So now I don't want to purchase more products, so I will click on to the no button. So this will be redirected to the view cart module. Here it will display how many products I have selected. If I don't want to purchase headlight, I will click on the delete button over here, and the total amount will be automatically displayed by the system itself. If I delete any one product from here, it will be deducted from the total amount. Let's delete this product, headlight. So if I click on delete, so the system will automatically update my total amount, and once I click on to the confirm order, it will be redirected to the payment module. Here there are 2 modes of payment, one is cash and credit card. When I click to the cash button, the total amount will be displayed over here. Once I click on to the submit button, these details will be reported to the admin. If I want to make the payment through credit card, here I must mention the credit card number, CVV number, and the total amount will be displayed by the system itself. So let's enter the credit card number. If my credit card number is not of 16 digit, it will give an error. and my CVV number should be 3 digits, and my total amount is displayed by the system. So once I click to the submit button, my order will be placed and these details will be reported to the admin. So this is all about the car parts, how to purchase the car parts. Let's see how to purchase the cars. If I want to purchase a car, I will click on any product which I liked. If I want to purchase this one, so I will click on to this product. My product details will be displayed. There will be description about the car and the cost about the car. There are 3 buttons over here. One is order, loan and test drive. By clicking on order, my order will be placed and these details will be reported to the admin. And if I click on to the loan button, here I must enter the loan amount. If I enter the loan amount greater than the cost of the car, I will get an error. Let's see. If I enter 7 lakh, if I click on to the submit button, I will get an error. Enter loan amount less than or equal to car price. So I must enter loan amount less than the car amount. So let's enter 5 lakh. If I click on to the submit button, my loan details will be submitted to the admin. So let's see another option, that is the test drive button. If I click on to the test drive button, I must register myself by specifying the date and time. So if I want to register myself on the 11th June, I will click on to this and I will specify the timing. So once I click the submit button, these details will be submitted to the and it will be stored in database. So and user can enter the minimum and maximum amount, and he can search for a particular product. Like if I want to see hatchback cars between the range 5 lakh to 7 lakh, so once I click to the search button, so I will get cars between this range, hatchback cars between this range. So this is how the user module works. So let's see how the admin login works. So admin will enter his ID and password. Once admin log into the system, these are the options you can access through. So when he clicks the car entry, here he must specify the product details, whatever the new product he had launched. If you want to launch a new product, he must specify the product details, and once you click the submit button, these details will be stored in database. Let's see the test drive details. In test drive details, all the user who had registered for test drive, their details will be displayed over here. And let's see the quantity update module. Here the admin will specify the product ID. Let's enter 42. Once he clicks the search button, product name will be displayed and the current quantity. If we want to increase the quantity, so we can enter the quantity. Once he clicks the update button, these details will be updated in database. So let's see view car parts order. You can view various car parts order made by the user. Let's see the stock details. These are the stock details. Here it only specifies the car parts details, how many stocks of particular products are available in inventory. Let's see car order details. These are the car order details made by the user. These details will be seen by the admin. Let's see the loan details. These are the loan details made by the particular user. Admin can view various user's details, the product amount, the product ordered by the user, and the loan amount made by the user. This is how the system works. Thank you.